Yo, 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 what up, YouTubers? Pete here. All right, let's take a look. I did the initial at this property January something 2017. And here we are, 2019. This is my second time back to this property. And I tell you, the guy, neighbor next door, told me the people that were cutting the grass did all this handy dandy magnificent fuckery here. So, you know, contractors are doing their worst, man. They're at their best doing their worst. So, I met an insurance adjuster. Since I was the one that did the initial here and documented everything properly, I'm going to be doing the partial rehab here. So, let's take a look at all this. He said the guys cutting the grass came and took the countertops, which is there. I believe, I don't think there was any appliances here, if I'm not mistaken. But I have the pictures. I just have to go and look for them. But, yeah, they tore this fucking place up, man. And this is what you get. They destroyed it. They demolished it. They just did their worst. And this was like a grab and go type thing, you know. We have some of the baseboards here. And they started doing this one, but still there. Let's go upstairs and then we can go downstairs. That's where all the fun stuff is. Which way? All right, let's go to the master bedroom. All right, boom. So they did all this stuff for a couple $100 of copper. Look at that. Mr. Hackerson is smoking crack. Crackhead Hackerson. Zing. Yeah. Last time this was winterized 12/7/18. And then I'm here. So let's take a look at the bathroom. And I know it needs a major update. But I'm only replacing what they took and improving what needs to be improved on. But if the toilet's fine, it stays. But like this I can mess with. The baseboards, carpeting stays. You know, it's just talking about anything broken, basically. Or missing. Look at this. This is fabulous. Fucking scumbags. Jeez, motherfucker. Alright, let's go down. Alright, so we took a look at the place. The kitchen. I think this is called the den. Or, no, this would be like a dining room right here. All right, let's see. This I would have to bid to repair, remove and replace, basically. Baseboards. My van. This is like a mother-daughter suite type deal. You know, so it needs a little updating, you know. But I'm only messing with this in this room right here. Like outlet covers, all that other crap, you know. Replacing what was taken. So dishwasher, stove, no refrigerator. I forgot the name of that. The range. The range. You know, not for nothing, when I make these videos, I actually go back to them just in case I forget anything. And it tells me, like, I would have to put a new toilet there, new vanity, supply lines, and that's that. Shower head, you know, covers. All right, let's go to the basement. Basement's where all the fun is. I'll show you that in a bit, but right now, let's focus on this. 3-car garage, nice. Somebody did the pool removal and dumped all the stuff here. I really hate that shit, you know? Ooh, creepy. All right, nice basement. But, man, these fucking guys went at it. They took a lot of copper here. They probably got a decent amount, too. They just don't give a fuck. Like, you see all those empty slots? It's supposed to be runs for copper, you know. And it was thick copper. Look at that. You got 3/4 inch. Oh, no, this is an inch. That's an inch right there. Boom. So it's real thick, heavy shit there. And they just tore it up. You know, bit to remove this room. Bit to replace the boiler, because there's no fixing that. This unit's still intact, so could fix that. But wow, that's all I can say, man, what some of these contractors do. I knew it anyway, because there's no broken windows, no doors are kicked in. This is a pretty, you know, well-to-do area in New York. You know, look at all these circulator pumps right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just bought like fucking 3 of those. Pretty pricey. Pretty pricey. Yeah, man. Fucking scumbags are out here doing the you know, just fucking shit up, man. As if they don't get enough money. Unless they're working for a third party. But still. But anyway, I thought I should show you guys that. You know, mold over here. Ugh. I'm tired of this shit. This mold removal shit. I don't like doing it. I pass up on it whenever I can. My health is more important to me than anything else, because I'm trying to live a little longer for my kids. But anyway, I thought I should show you guys what the hell is going on here. So, you know, Mr. Hackerson, the crackhead, is at it again. But anyway, let me let you guys go. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Guys, any questions, any comments, please leave them. Peace.